We have some more options in the changeman package lifecycle, which will be very useful, and you will deal with in your if you are going to be familiar with changeman, then you may deal with those other options, other panels where it will be useful for you. And the next screen we are going to see is the package list option. So far we have seen everything with only one package. So how to create a package, how to get the components into that package, how we are going to compile the components into that in present in that package, how to promote a package, that package, how we are going to add it, freeze, and all the way to. Now if you want to see multiple packages, for example, I want to see all the packages created by a particular user from particular date. So I can see using this option, and here is a shortcut method to access this panel. Select option 5 from the primary option menu, and if you hit enter you will get this screen where you can mention, okay, Sabar is the application I want to see under this package. We have, if you particularly know the full package, it's okay, you can give here. If you don't know, if you want to see, if you want to list out all the packages starts with Sabar, just mention over here, and I want to see this is a particular ID. I want to see all the packages created by this ID from this time. So if you can select all this information. If you hit enter, then it will list out all the packages information, where you can see lots of information over here. These are the packages created by that DTC, I mean the user, and after 2008 0630, and the packages at what stage it is having. BAS means it is baseline. The package has been deleted, DEL, and if it is in development stage, and the installation dates, and if it is the type is the package types, you can see it is planned, permanent, unplanned, permanent. If it is unplanned, then unplanned you can show here, and these are the trouble ticket SRs I created for this. And it will also show you the promote levels. It is 20 after 20, okay, qual, and they tested, then directly I moved to prod. So this is baseline after 20, and by whom it was created, and audit is successful or not. You will come to see. If your audit is not successful, then you will see 8 over here. And I've also mentioned some of the shortcuts. Now, so far you are coming, okay, you are selecting option 5, and then you are coming to build, and then you are selecting one more option. I don't want to do that. If I know the package, I want to, and there are some more shortcuts where you can directly do all those actions using those shortcuts. For example, if I want to audit a package, then I'm building, I'm going to select one, and then you're going to another option, then you're selecting one more option to go to that. I don't want to do. If you want to directly do, there is a AP audit package where directly if you mention AP over here, and if you hit enter, the package will be audited. Where if you want to frozen a package, then select F1. F1 is the option we have to freeze the change package online. If you want to select, if you want to freeze a package through batch, here is the option shortcut method. So these are the list of options where these will be very useful in your day-to-day life while working with changeman. There are some more options where you can use them. If you want to update package information, here is a package. You can use option 1 where you can update all the information. These are the shortcut methods. If you remember them, it will ease your life and while using changeman. So we have some more options. If you want to delete a package, I have created a package, but and after that I don't want to move my changes, but the package is still there. If you want to delete a package, here is the panel how it looks like. To get this panel, use select option D, and if you hit enter, then it will take you to the next this panel where you can select option 1 for delete. And if you, after deleting, you think, okay, I don't want to delete that package, and again if you want to recover, then use option 2 to restore that package. First we will see how we are going to delete a package and how the panel will looks like. So the delete panel package panel looks like this, and here you're going to mention the package name which you are going to delete, and if you hit enter, then it will take you to the next screen where it will ask you for your confirmation again before deleting. I'm going to delete this package, so are you sure you want to delete me this package? Then if you say okay, go ahead and delete, then if you hit enter, then it will take you to the next screen and it will show you package memo deleted. So it will say you the package has been deleted, and you will see like this. Once if the package has been deleted, it will be there for some time, and but the status will show you like deleted. So this the next panel, I'm going to show you how to restore. I have deleted accidentally a package, and then I thought, okay, I don't want to delete that package, I want to again restore. So this is the panel. You can, using this panel, you can restore a deleted package, and here is the option. You can shortcut method where you can come to the screen directly. Okay, I have deleted this package and I want to restore. Then you're going to mention the package name over here, and if you hit enter, then it will give you the package name, says the package undeleted, so it's restored. But one more important point you have to remember here: if before going to delete a package, the package should not contain any components. The package should be blank. Then only you can able to delete a package. But for example, you have a three components, but even though you are not working with those components, you can't directly those package without, first you have to delete those components, then you have to come back and delete a package. So we'll see. Okay, now we have seen how to delete a package. No, but I don't want to delete after gone to the approval. I want to just revert a package because the I want to revert because the installation date has passed something, so that they will revert those changes, so that you can go ahead and move, make your changes, and again you can move all the approvals process and everything. You can again process that one. So how the panel looks like, we'll see. This is a revert change package panel. To access this panel, here is a shortcut method, and first we are going to mention the package ID over here, and if you hit enter, then it will take you to the next screen where you have to mention, where you have to go give the explanation about being revert. So the reason you have to mention over here, and if you hit enter, then the package is reverted, and you will get a message and the top of corner says package reverted, so that you can go back and you can make your changes. But one more option you have to remember: this option, this reverted option, you do not have access as a developer. You won't be having access. It will be having only some of the people like changeman control team. So if you want to revert a package after all the approvals, like after frozen, it has gone for one or two approvals, then they thought, okay, you want to revert that package because I have given some work request ID information is wrong, and then I want to revert it back. Then you have to contact your changeman control team, and you have to explain them, okay, this is the, I have mentioned my work request ID wrong. Instead of one more trouble ticket number, I have mentioned another trouble ticket number, which is conflicting. So you identified that, but by the time your lead has approved. But if you want to revert it back, then you have to contact your changeman control team. Then they will, if you mention this is the information, this because of this reason I'm going to revert, I want you to revert, so they will mention that reason over there and they will revert this back. The next option is backout. This is also a, you as a developer, you won't be having this option, you won't be having access to this option. Only your changeman control team has to do this. For example, I have moved my changes to prod, but suddenly it is impacting some other areas, some other changes, and then the user says no, 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 back out those changes and let it be as it is before these changes move to prod. So using backout, you can back out the changes which you have moved through using one of the package. And to back out these changes, you have to contact your changeman control team. But I'm going to show you how the panels will looks like. So this is a panel, backout change panel looks like. To access this screen, use option B, and if you hit enter, then you will get to this screen. where you have to mention the package ID, and if you hit enter it will take you to the next screen where you have to mention the backout reason, the reason for being backed out. Here he says like job abandoned for a reason poor testing and need to make additional changes. And if he will hit enter, then the changes, whatever the changes you have moved using this package will be backed out. Backout job submitted, and it will say backed out. We have some more options like if you want to recompile some of the programs, you don't want to make any changes to that program, but you just want to recompile because of you made a change in a copybook. Being result of that, you may have to compile some 10 programs. So you can, using this option, you can directly recompile them. First bring them into a package and then mention if it is a subroutine, then you're going to mention, and the component name you're going to recompile. Then if you hit enter, then it will be recompiled. And here is a one more option is the compare. For example, you want to see you have checked out a program, you made some modifications around 10-15 lines or 20 lines, let it be anything, but you want to compare what kind of code you have made and where exactly you have made. Using this panel you can compare your changes present in the package with the baseline version or any with the previous version. To access this panel, here is a shortcut method where you can directly come to the screen, and you have to where you have to mention the package name and the component name and the library type, if it is a subroutine or online program, batch programs. So you're going to mention the library name and source library. If you mention 0, then you're going to compare with the current version. If you mention -1 with the previous version, so here it will tell you where with which version you want to compare your changes. And if you hit enter, here is the job that will submit, and it will show you, it will log for 1 second or 2 seconds, and it will show your screen is locked, please wait. It will compare your changes present in the package with the production version, and it will list out the differences between your component present in the package with the production version. Here is a one more option panel which is very useful if you want to scan a word under some library types. You can using this panel, you can scan all the components. So to access this screen, here is the shortcut method where you can directly get the screen and fill out all this information. If you hit enter, you can scan using this panel. Now we have come to the end of all the slides. If you have any questions, please mail me to prasannareddy@nin.ibm.com, and hope this session helped you a lot. All the best. Thank you.